Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a pre-owned that we just got in. It's a Montana, and I am loving it. I don't know the year, so I'm going to get that information, but I absolutely love this. I've never seen... I'm going to show you something really neat that I actually have never seen inside an RV, so I'm excited to show you it. Let's go from the outside in and come in. All right, let's go. Alright guys, here is the Montana, I don't know what I said, but Montana is what I meant. It's a 2018 model 3920FB. It's got a slide on this side with two awnings. It's kind of muddy out here. And it's got two slides, one being a bit longer. Alright. See if this is opened. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Lots of storage, and it does have a little, I guess you would call it a skirt that goes on the very bottom of the RV all the way around. It looks like that's that right there, which I really like. I don't know if I've seen it yet, but I like that they have it on here. You will have, more than likely, you'll have your backup camera prep, but let's just check. Got your ladder and your backup camera. Very nice. Got a little TV out here, which is always nice. Do that with the family. All right, let's take a look inside. Beautiful. They really did keep it in great condition. The flooring and everything is just really nice. So we'll start from right here. We've got our table that extends out, so you can have four chairs around that. You do have an outlet right there as well, with beautiful windows all the way around. You've got theater seating and a couch. More than likely turns into a bed, but again, great condition. You've got storage above your theater seating and above your couch. You do have a fan in here, which is really great. Little side tables on each side. You've got your entertainment over here with the fireplace down below and a little bit of a storage area right up there as well. You can have a nice size TV in here. You've got a beautiful, nice size island with, it looks like two sides of the sink. Plenty of storage right down here. Storage here. And then a nice pantry right here. It is a bit dark in here. I'm sorry, guys. You got beautiful backsplash right here, too. You got some more outlets, a three burner, nice size oven, and microwave. You also have a wine rack, which is great. Who doesn't love a little bit of wine? And a huge residential fridge. I mean, big. Nice and big. I mean, plenty of space, guys. With a little freezer on top. And I say little. Nice big freezer on top. It's giant. You got more storage space over here as well. And then another counter space for maybe coffee table or whatever, but lots of storage in here. I love seeing lots of storage. All right, guys, moving on to our bathroom. One bathroom, so a half bath. Plenty of space in here, plenty of storage in here as well. Nice big sink, a lot of space. I love this door. It opens weirdly, but I love it. And then you do have storage in the hallway as well. And then our master bathroom. Now, guys, this is where I'm going to show you something that I have never seen, and I'm excited. But for now, we've got a closet here. Plenty of space there. We've got 2 windows on each side of the bed. You can walk over on each side, and then across from that you do have your entertainment and dresser. Some more cabinetry right here as well. And now we have a tub. We have a tub in an RV, and it is a big tub. This is the coolest thing. It's right by a beautiful window, so mom can relax. The husband can go hunting, I guess. Whatever. Mom is relaxing. That is so cool. Love it. We got tons of storage in here as well. So, I mean, plenty of room. Even though there's a tub in here, there's still plenty of storage. You've got a his and her right over here. Again, more storage. I mean, for real, there is a lot of storage. Even though they have a bath in here, they have a lot of storage, and they have a shower that you can sit. Just plenty of space all the way around in this bathroom. Absolutely stunning. I'm in love. And I don't know why. I've never seen a bath before. I mean, this is really, really nice. And it really, I mean, look how big it is. It would be so comfy just to climb in there. Maybe not this second because I'm freezing to death, but I love it. All right, guys, what do you think? What do y'all think of this unit? Again, I love it. It is a pre-owned unit. It is insanely priced. I think it's $49,995 right now. Insane. Call, text, email if you want some more information. You can come see me. Ask for Rachel, of course. My information is below, but until next time, guys.